मौत एक सबसे बड़ी सच्चाई है जिसे कोई बदल नहीं सकता. Hi friends, this is Tanishka Kumar. Front of you going to talk about one and only death. Death is what is. Let me explain you. This is Tanishka Kumar from Naneshwar Patil Sir Shital Academy Kalwan. Do you know in 1 second two people die and you don't know that when you are going to die which will be your last breath, because if you inhale now, if you don't inhale next, and then you will die. Nobody knows what is your last time. What is your last time to meet anybody, to talk with anybody, and to just spend time with anybody. So that's why just don't be too much egoist about your money, or don't be much egoist about your time, because you don't have many more time to spend with anyone. Your family, your friends, they are today. If they will be tomorrow or not, nobody knows. So you should just talk friendly with anybody else, and you should just help everyone, because their blessings makes you more proudful. Because when they bless you, that time your life also increases. You know that about. In our India also there is culture to take blessings from everyone. So why culture is there? You should just think about it. And if you think blessings comes with a die-hard feeling, and when you get blessings you just increase your life, nothing more. And if you increase your life, you will just get happiness, you will just spend more time with your just life, and you will get more time to get success. Because nobody knows that at the die moment when you will be dead, that time you will be successful or not, you will be married or not, you will be just be the person what you want to be or not. So that's why be the person what you want to be in just a time, in just the moment, when just live in the moment. Don't think that I will get this or not, I will get that or not. Just think that whatever I have, I'm happy in that. For death also you need reason, and if you don't have reason you will not die. Because some people die because of accident, some people die because they are old, and some people die because of anything. Yeah, heart attack also, which is really happening in today's generation. It is most of happening. Why? Because of unhealthy life. So you should just have healthy life, because what the thing is that when you were not born, that time your death time was written, but you don't know, I don't know, and nobody knows that who will die when. Okay, so you don't know. So that's why I'm telling you that don't be just think about your money, don't be just think about anything in your life. Just be friendly and think that if this were be my last day, so what thing I was doing, this is the thing what I will be do when this is my last day. So just think about it, because this is time, and this is the right time to understand death is not stoppable. You can't stop your death. You can stop the money, you can stop happiness, you can stop sadness, but you can't stop death. When it comes to you, you want to die, you will go in heaven or hell, it is next decision, but you want to die now. Why? Because this is the decision from God. So just thing is that you should just believe in God, you should just believe in death. Some people ignore it, some people ignore that we will not die, we are mortal, we are not going to die, just like these things. But this is not going to happen. You want to die one day, and you want to just accept this reality. You should not just ignore it. Always, 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 this is the thing going to happen. And one thing lastly I want to tell you is that just friends, believe in yourself, believe in the thing is that you want to die. Okay, thank you so much to listen me carefully. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.